Crude oil daily forecast, December 4th, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you see here in front of you, we have a little bit of a bad tick, but it actually had reached as high as about 90.15 before pulling back for the session. We ended up closing basically flat, and this, of course, was a very poor signal. 90 continues to be resistive, and we quite frankly see a significant resistance area between 90 and 92. And to be honest, really can see quite a bit of noise all the way up to 94. So essentially, we see any type of rally and resistance we are willing to sell. A breakdown below the lows, roughly about 88.75 or so, would clear of the session on Monday. Of course, would have a selling as well. We do not have a situation right now that we feel comfortable buying light sweet crude. Looking at the Brent markets, you can see that we have a little bit more support here just about the 110 level. Brent, of course, is a little bit more sensitive to Middle Eastern problems, so it doesn't really surprise us too much that Brent is being bid up a little bit more. It did fall during the session, but as you can see, we are kind of bottoming here around 110, so we think that this is probably a bullish market. If we can get above 112, we think that opens the door to 116 in relatively short order. It won't happen in one session, but it certainly should happen. And as such, we are willing to go long of Brent above 112. As far as selling is concerned, we see far too much support at 108 and 106 really to be bothered with it. Out of the two, though, we definitely think with the spread being as wide as it is between Brent and light sweet crude, that Brent is probably going to give you more bang for your buck if we do manage to get above 112.